Hi, this is Cheryl Major with thinstronghealthy.com, and today I want to take you into my kitchen and show you how I make a great breakfast. I've been posting what to do and how to do it, but seeing is really learning, so I wanted to share that with you. And actually I'm fulfilling a request made by one of my coaching clients who said, can you please show me what you have for breakfast and how you make it. So let's get into the kitchen and get cooking. You'll be amazed how easy and fast this is to do. I have a cast iron skillet here that has some olive oil in it. I've heated it up and I'm going to crank the heat just a little bit. I have some leftover wild rice and I'm just going to put that in there and heat that up. And I'm a big fan of making large quantities of food for a meal so that I can repurpose the next day for breakfast. And I don't have to start all over again. So we're going to let that heat up a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of my favorite pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to add a little bit of white organic pepper and just stir that around, heat that up. And to that I am going to add about a half a cup of chopped organic spinach. And just stir that around for a few minutes. And this spoon I'm using actually Rob turned. It's walnut, and he's a woodworker, so I turn to him for a lot of my wooden cooking utensils and kitchen utensils. Good to have a woodworker around. Okay, so this is going to reduce and sweat down a little bit. And to this, I am going to add one organic egg that's mixed with, it's been whisked with a quarter cup of almond milk, and I've added my secret ingredient, which is just a tiny bit of nutmeg. Nutmeg adds an amazing flavor to eggs. So I just pour that over the top, mix it around. And it's going to be a very substantial, I guess you'd call it a frittata. I'm going to turn the heat way down. I'm going to cover that, and I'm going to let it cook on low for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and see what we've got. Five minutes later, this is what we have. It looks and smells delicious. I wish you could smell it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how I assemble a healthy, balanced breakfast. So stay tuned. This is Cheryl Major with thinstronghealthy.com.